So today we're reacting in this stupid funny pet cat. Okay, let's see Zaid what he gonna react about it. Are you kidding me? You are guilty! Lies. Look at those dogs are jumping a lot. Okay? This is Joey dog! Yeah, this is stupid. Okay, let's see what is this dog. What is this dog doing right now? What is this? Yeah, it's so stupid. It's a cat laugh. It's so weird. What? 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 Guilty! How did he do it? Okay, a cat and a duck. They don't make any sense. These friends! No, don't stop! Okay, let's say do not laugh in 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, drink the water. Not cold. Drink it. It's not cold though. What are you doing? I don't know. Okay, that's like a food. No, that's stupid. And weird. Yeah. I think this is the end of our channel. Don't subscribe. Like the bell, just kidding. Yeah. The friends do not deserve us because not the like button. That's why. Uh-oh. Is that a bat? No. Uh-oh. The fire is